Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can host a hide and seek party. So super simple. Just go to your watch here and go to party. Instead of parkour or tea party, you're going to select hide and seek party. Okay, it says the current home layout is quite complex. My house's layout is quite complex. So you can narrow the area size here. You can also adjust the area size if you'd like to. So just maybe the back, the area size. You can even make that smaller. Maybe position 3, complete, confirm, and then you're just going to throw a party. I did explain in a previous video on how you can play the actual game. It is similar to Prop Hunt. If you don't know what that is, I did again make a video yesterday. So yeah, that is it for this video. That is how you can host a hide and seek party. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!